Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Wells ChinaTown. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located less than a mile from Interstate 80, a full-service restaurant is on site at this motel and RV park. Rooms offer free Wi-Fi and laundry facilities are available for guest convenience. A flat-screen cable TV is included in each room at the Wells ChinaTown. A fully equipped kitchen is available and mountain views are featured. Guests can enjoy Chinese-American cuisine at the restaurant located on site at Wells ChinaTown Motel. Individual electric yards to track electrical consumption and a 240 volts 50 amp circuit are available. Please contact the property for electric rates. Chimney Municipal Golf Course is 10 minutes walk from the motel. Wells City Park is less than 5 minutes walk away. The Great Basin Highway is 1 mile from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.